Hi, I'm Barry Schilling with US Waterproofing. Today we're here to talk about replacing a window well liner. As you can see by the roof behind me, we've got this large roof above us with a downspout coming down. Right next to that downspout is a window well. Plus you can see the short roof above us with all the leaves packed up next to the building. That's going to overflow with water if that downspout ever plugs up. And this whole area just gets inundated with water from the roof. Combine that with the liner that over time is pulling away from the building, and that water washes mud into the drain, clogs it up, the window well fills and floods the basement. Today we're going to take you through the process of removing the old liner and installing the new one, and you'll see the improvements that we've made along the way. Here we have a typical window well cover. As you can see, it's constructed of a plastic that's like vacuum formed. It's very weak. Any weight on this, somebody's falling. When we remove the cover, you can look down inside the window well liner. Somebody tried extending the window well liner so it was deeper, and it's all coming apart. We're going to put a garden hose on the ground next to this just to show you how much water comes in from the sides, and that would represent roof water coming off the roof leaking in, and that's why this flooded out. Here you can see we just turned the hose on. Look how the water's just infiltrating the window well. This is common, and water's gonna wash mud in there and plug up the drain. It doesn't stand a chance. We're now about 2 hours into the digging process. Once they got the old liner out, they had to increase the size of the hole to accept this new larger liner. In this particular case, the homeowner has decided to increase the size of the liner so it is now egress compliant with code. Back when this building was constructed, this liner met egress code. It was only a 24-inch projection back then. Today it's required that you get a 36-inch projection so that a fireman with an air pack can get in and out of the basement. Here you see the completed membrane from top to bottom, and that's what keeps water from ever coming in from the sides again. Here you see our man caulking between the liner and the building, just for an extra seal, but the actual seal is done on the outside. As you can see, there's no water ever going through that exterior seal. Now they have the ladder secured to the liner. If you notice, we use nuts and bolts so that it stays secured over a long period of time. Here's the completed window well liner system. This is 36-inch projection, 46 inches wide, 60 inches deep. Here we have the completed project with the window well cover in place and in lock position. Now we're in the completed unit. As you can see, the cover's in place, ladder's in place. There are pins that you pull in order to escape in case of a fire. Just takes a couple seconds to take them out. And once those are out, the unit lifts. And there you have egress out of the basement. Thank you for joining us today, and to learn more about this system and others at US Waterproofing, visit us on the web at seepage.com.